In this video, let's learn how to upload longer videos than 20 seconds on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of 1 2 Step. If you're also trying to add in a longer video on your story of Messenger, then let me show you how you can easily do it. Now for the people who don't know, the time limit or the video limit on Messenger is not 20 seconds, it's actually 30 seconds. So you can post a 30-second story in a single tab of Messenger. So just head over to the stories tab on the bottom right, tap on add story, and then select the video that you want to add in. Once you add it in the video, you can see the entire video will play, and when you tap on share now, your video will be easily added to your story on Messenger. But however, if it is a video longer than 30 seconds, you need to split them up into separate videos and then post it on your Messenger. That is the only way to add in videos that are longer than 30 seconds. So you can use any video editor on your device and you can split them up into different videos and you can post them like that. So that was the video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.